Good morning, LinkedIn viewers. My name's Ian Clark, and I run Workforce Solutions Group, a training and coaching company. And I wanted to follow up a post that I just put out yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Time's going by so fast. Just to let you know that we're running a two free workshops at Loros in Leicestershire to introduce you to Mindsonar, the latest psychological profiling tool. Now, why would we do that? Well, first of all, it's new to the UK. It's the most in-depth and insightful and has a huge impact on those that undertake it. What is Mindsonar? Well, Mindsonar looks at your value base or measures your value base, and it measures your thinking style. So unlike other tools, that all have their place, this one is quite granular, and you have to set a context in which you're doing it, because it assumes that if your context changes, your value base changes and your thinking style changes. And so we'll be running this engaging workshop on the 12th of March from 9 until 12, and then we'll be running a second one from 1 until about 4 o'clock. Who's it for? Well, actually, it's for anybody who works with people, leads or manages them, HR specialists, OD specialists, coaches, trainers, facilitators, counsellors, people who might work in Relate, people who deliver mediation. The tool has many talents to it, which when used by a Mindsonar facilitator, you'll be amazed at the impact it can have. And so as part of this workshop, we'll be letting the participants use the tool. So they'll have to come prepared. I'll send them out a license code so they can access the tool, and then we'll be using the results of that to power the workshop. And we'll look at people's strengths, we'll look at people's blind spots, we'll look at their value base, and we'll do a few fun activities to emphasise the tool's use. Where's it been used before? Well, it's been used in career coaching, it's been used in leadership and development, Dutch military, it's been used in Salesforce training in BMW. It can be used in benchmarking people's skill base, and so if you wanted to replicate a particular style, we can go out and we can benchmark and profile key leaders. We're looking to use it in the NHS around resilience and compassion. So it does have a wide breadth of use. So that's all I wanted to share with you. If you want to sign up, well, actually not if you want to, you should sign up because it's free. Just follow the link on LinkedIn or give me a call on 0788 426 8239. And if you have any questions, by all means, just fill in the comments box and I'll try and answer them. Okay, have a great Friday afternoon. And those of you who are going to watch the rugby, come on England. And those of you that don't support England, come on the rest of you. Okay, take care, have a great time and speak to you soon. Bye.